Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and I love me a good air fryer. I love being able to throw a snack in there, throw in a meal, be able to cook it quickly, make it nice and crispy but moist on the inside. And that's where this 8-quart countertop Gunter&Hauer air fryer really comes in handy. One of the things that I really like about it that's different from most air fryers is it doesn't have a drawer. You actually lift it up, open it, and it has a tray that pulls out, which I find to be nice because I don't like the way trays go in and out sometimes. Sometimes they get caught, it gets a little weird. With this, it's very easy to get things in and out of it. Another thing that I really like about it is it has these little suction cup feet on the front, which is nice because when you're opening something like this and a lot of the weight's on top, it might have the tendency to shift around on you and things are hot and you don't want to mess anything up. Another thing that I like about it is it has all these presets on the top. If you want to make little adjustments, the little buttons on top are very responsive to touch. You know, sometimes when you have like touch buttons, they don't react, or if you get a little grease on your hand or something like that, it doesn't want to do what you want it to do. Well, these don't have that problem. They're sensitive enough to pick up the little touches that you make on it. It's easy to take out the roasting tray that's inside, so instead of just doing roasting or some sort of cooking in it, you can also do baking in it, which is kind of fun. We did cookies in it, which turned out really good. And we've done vegetables, chicken, and potatoes in it, and it turned out really good. The kids thought it was yummy. We enjoyed the food that we've been able to make with this. It makes it really easy to quickly wash it out and get it ready either for the next meal or to put away. Well, and that's what we liked about this 8-quart countertop air fryer from Gunter&Hauer, and that's my point of view.